Today we're going to show you the proper way to test a pneumatic manifold assembly. Here we have an SMC SY3000 series manifold, which consists of 7 valves and sandwich regulators in certain positions. Our concern is the possibility of leakage where the valves meet the base plates or in the gaskets between the base plates. So prior to shipping to the customer, we're going to perform a leak test. The first step is we're going to plug all the outlet positions using 4mm plugs. We're also going to attach a test gauge to one of the outputs to measure pressure inside the manifold. Operating pressure for this manifold is about 80 psi. So the first step is we're going to pressurize the manifold assembly to 80 psi using our test fixture. After allowing the pressure to stabilize, we're going to turn off and block the source of air, and we're going to watch the test gauge for pressure decrease. Any decrease in the test gauge would be indicative of a leak in the manifold assembly. You see here we're starting at 19.53 psi, and pressure is dropping only in the hundredths digit at a very, very slow rate. So this would indicate that this manifold is leak tight and suitable for shipping to the customer. An alternate and even better way to check for leakage flow is to use a mass flow meter. Here we have our test box with a digital display that's showing actual flow rate into the valve. If I repeat that process and pressurize the manifold to operating pressure, you'll notice that the leakage flow rate is essentially 0 going into the manifold. Showing a 0 mass flow is indicative that there's no leakage flow between any of the individual stations on the manifold.